One of the most deadly aspects of diabetes is its lack of uniform symptoms. While many report excessive thirst, urination, and sweating, just as many have no clue that they are diabetic until they happen to test themselves. So it was with Atul Shah, an engineer by profession and CEO by designation. Since 1986, Atul spent most of his professional life on the road, traveling almost 220 days of the year. Naturally, this meant a lot of outside food and the health issues this brings. Inevitably, his weight ballooned to an unhealthy 100 plus kilos and he contracted diabetes, BP, as well as high cholesterol. His health complications even cost him his mobility as his knees gave way under his weight. And in 2012, he had to have a knee replacement done. But Atul fought back. At an age when most people are resigned to a sedentary retired life, he didn't just free himself of his diabetes, BP, and cholesterol medications. He went on to become an experienced mountaineer, trekker, yogi, and an all-round athlete. The road to the top wasn't easy, but if Atul, who's now in his 70s, could do it, anyone can.
So my name is Atul Shah. I come from Ahmedabad. We are traditionally Gujarati Jains, so we are vegetarian by nature. I come from a very large family of 5 elder sisters and 1 elder brother. So we are 7 siblings actually. Our food habits, except me, nobody in my house has lived outside their home. So I have lived in hostel for 2 years at IIT Bombay. But I've been still vegetarian. I have done marketing jobs, so I was export manager and a chief of marketing, and so I have traveled extensively throughout the globe. After I came back to Bombay in 2002, I got stuck because of the very hectic job, traveling, eating all kinds of food, entertaining people and all that. So I gained weight up to almost 100 kilos, 90, 95, 100 is hovering around. So I felt myself that I am sluggish, and then I was so bad that at the airport I could not stand 5 minutes. If you asked me to stand in a security queue or check-in queue, I could not stand 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So I used to take a wheelchair. So in 2012 I underwent a knee replacement surgery. So both my knees are replaced. Because of this weight, I had a lot of cellulites on my face, my hand. I had a lot of boils all over the place. So I went to a dermatologist here. He said, look, you check yourself. He said, you must be having diabetes. Now, because of my sisters are doctor, normally anything major happens, I take the first flight to Ahmedabad and then I'm sorted. So I went to Ahmedabad. And they check all my report, they cut it all, my investigation, and say, you have diabetes. That is how the first time diabetes was detected. I was feeling bad because I could not walk, I could not do what I used to do earlier. So I felt almost that I was crippled, So I don't want to do that. And that affected my job also because I was working at that time and I worked till 2014. So between 2002 to 2014 and then 2012 January I went to surgery. So I cannot work like this, I cannot live like this. And then I was talking to our neighbors downstairs in this campus. He said, I know somebody, one of my friends has got treated with Freedom from Diabetes run by Dr. Pramod Tripathi. So immediately I decided to go and meet him. So when I met him, he said, diabetes is okay, but I'll make you as energetic as if you are going to college. So he said, just don't worry, you do whatever you're doing, eat like this. He had a Freedom from Diabetes as a protocol. So you follow that protocol. So I followed that protocol for first 10 days. And I knocked down 3 kilos. I religiously followed another month. End of the month, I knocked down 6 kilos. I could not climb one stair. I used to climb from ground floor to 8th floor. You know that I live in 8th floor and I used to climb 3 times a day. After breakfast, after lunch, after dinner. Which is one of the FFD protocols, anti-gravity exercise. And a part of anti-gravity, I used to climb 8 stories. And in 3 months, I lost 15 kilos. And since then, I am stuck on FFD. And I'm just following and I don't miss anything. He's doable and I am extremely happy. In 2017, I think, I went to Palitana. It's a Jain pilgrimage in Gujarat, near Bhavnagar. It's around, I think, 4,000 or 5,000 steps. I climbed without any hassle. Came down, we drove to Girnar, next day I climbed Girnar. Then I came back and then next year after that I went to Tirupati and I climbed Tirupati. I had climbed earlier also, but this time I said after knee surgery, the first time I climbed. And then I went to Israel, I climbed Mount Masada. Then on my 70th birthday, my children had planned a party at Sydney. He lives in Sydney. So on that day itself, I climbed Sydney Harbour Bridge. So it was an amazing experience. One thing which I must give full credit to Pramod Tripathi. He said, when your car is defective, what do? Suppose car is not in good condition, what do? Do you drive it? No. You repair it and drive it. Huh? So similarly, right now when you have diabetes, you are under repair. So you must get that repairing done, then you can decide. Then you can drive roughly, it's okay. But right now you don't drive at all. No? So is it first you follow the process completely, get fully cured, then occasionally driving rough is okay. I do everything now which I have not done earlier. For example, I could not sing, but I am now on karaoke group. So twice a week we have karaoke sessions. I never done dancing, I do Zumba dance 3 days a week. I could not band, and I am doing occasionally, of course I do 20 Surya Namaskar every alternate day. आज भी सुबह 20 of Surya Namaskar I have done today morning. I am not racing, I am not in a competition. I personally feel great, so I do it.